Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing body care products for caramel skin and how to incorporate it in your skincare routine. This product has been verified to give your skin that beautiful complexion you desire. And if you're new here, my name is Elo, and please do not forget to join the wonderful community that we have here by clicking on the red subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you will get notified each time I post a new content. And of course, if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. The product I'll be sharing in today's video can be used for caramel skin maintenance or caramel skin enhancement. And I will also be sharing with you how to incorporate it in your skincare routine so that it will work perfectly for you. So guys, you have a whole lot to learn in today's video. The first step you need to incorporate in your skincare routine is to cleanse your skin. And firstly, I'll be talking about skin enhancement because I know sometimes we struggle with hyperpigmentation, dark spots on our skin, making us to have uneven skin tone, making our skin not to have that radiant glow that we desire. Yes, I'll be sharing soap and body wash so that you use it to balance your skin. If you are having dark spots, hyperpigmentation, suntan, uneven skin tone, I'll be recommending Kojic Sand Soap and Kojic White. Kojic Sand Soap helps with hyperpigmentation, clarify your skin and glow up your skin, and the same as Kojic White. Kojic White comes in 3 varieties. Okay, I know about 3 varieties. I don't know if it comes more than 3 varieties, but that is actually my favorite. Those 3 varieties is actually my favorite. And if you have dry skin, I would advise you, instead of going for Kojic Sand Soap, I would advise you to go for Kojic White, the one that has hyaluronic acid. It is very hydrating on the skin and also helps to fight pigmentation on your skin without drying up your skin. So the second soap I'll be recommending that you should have in your skincare routine for someone that wants to maintain their skin. You already have that even skin tone, you have already fight the suntan, the hyperpigmentation, or whatever that is giving you skin concern. You just need a soap that will just maintain your caramel skin. I'll be recommending Dove products, Dove soap, and this one I have here, I'm going to put it on here so to make it clear. Okay, this is actually Dove creamy oil. This is very hydrating on the skin, and it helps to maintain that soft, smooth, glowing skin. You can't have a flawless skin if your skin is not soft and smooth, so this does the magic to help to maintain your caramel skin. So the next one is body wash, and the reason why I'm recommending body wash is most of the body wash are soap free, meaning it's not going to dry up your skin, and also help to clarify your skin, glow up your skin. And the good thing why I always recommend, even as much as you're using soap or you're incorporating the use of soap products in your skincare routine, you will as well need products like body wash. I also want to remind you that body wash does not strip the skin of its natural oil, so you don't feel dry, prevent your skin from losing moisture, helping your skin maintain that radiant glow. My favorite body wash for someone that has caramel skin is actually Bioderma Ultra Nourishing Cleanser. And this product is amazing for someone that have a sensitive skin or sensitive to dry skin. Its active ingredients is vitamin E, and vitamin E in a formulation will help to fight free radical on your skin because it has anti-oxidant property which will help to fight aging skin. So this is actually very good. And the reason why I love this, I love the fact that it's non-chondrogenic, meaning that it's not going to clog pores. And if you're someone that develops rashes or you're prone to having rashes, this is actually an amazing body wash for you. I also love the fact that it's fragrance free. Someone like me, I hate fragrance in my skincare products, so this is amazing for that. And also it is soap free, meaning it's not going to dry or strip your skin of its natural oil, so it is highly hydrating. I do recommend this for day and night use, and the benefits you're going to get while using this product is that it's going to smoothen your skin, it's going to replenish your skin, making it to look more healthy, softer, smoother, and you have that glowing skin that everyone craves for. So this is actually amazing if you can afford it perfectly. The second body wash I'll be recommending in today's video, it is only cleansing and nourishing body wash. I love this body wash because one, it is for all skin type, And if you're someone within the budget, this is actually a great one for you. It is formulated with vitamin B3 and hyaluronic acid to provide your skin with all the nourishment and all the benefits that your skin require. And I also love the fact that this body wash doesn't dry up the skin because it is highly creamy and it has a very rich lather. It will soften your skin, smoothing your skin, clarify your skin, and give you that unified complexion. And it can actually be used during the daytime or nighttime. It is quite an amazing product. The last body wash I'll be introducing into this video, it is Alpha Renewal Skincare Moisturizing Body Wash with Sea Mist. Why I love this product is that it's formulated with one of my favorite ingredients, which is vitamin E, aloe vera, and glycolic acid, which is from the alpha hydroxy acid family. The reason why I love this product is vitamin E, we know, is an antioxidant, and aloe vera is also highly moisturizing. It does almost the same as hyaluronic acid to provide your skin with an instant nourishment. And I recommend this body wash to only be used at night because it has a mild exfoliating property. Thank God for the glycolic acid, which is the king ingredient in this formulation. It will help to fight or get rid of dry skin, get rid of dead skin on the surface of the skin that won't clog pores, making your skin look unhealthy and reveal a glowing, beautiful skin. So this is actually a must, and of course it's for all skin type, and the product is amazing for caramel skin. The next is our body scrub. Body scrub is super important. It helps the skin to get rid of dead skin cells, revealing a newer skin, making your skin appear softer, smoother, and glowing. And it also brightens up your skin, and it's also very effective for someone that has uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. In today's video, I'll be recommending Soap and Glory body scrub. It comes in 11 varieties, but the one I'll be talking about in today's video, I'm mentioning of 3 body scrub from Soap and Glory. One of the ones that I've used and is actually my favorite. So the first one is the award-winning Smoothie Breakfast body scrub. The second one is Flake Away body scrub, and Soap and Glory the Real body scrub. This body scrub, they are very, very effective in increasing, revitalizing the skin, helping the skin appear smoother and softer. It also brightens the skin, fights wrinkles, fine lines, and ingrowth hair. This is actually an amazing, and it's for all skin types to give your skin that radiant, beautiful glow that you desire. The second body scrub you can actually use as an alternative, because I know you might not have the money, or you might find it hard finding Soap and Glory. Another wonderful body scrub for caramel skin, it is Revolution body scrub. This body scrub is actually formulated with grapeseed complex and vitamin C. It brightens the skin, softens the skin, smoothing the skin to enhance a radiant, beautiful skin, and it's also for all skin type. The third body scrub I'll be recommending in today's video, it is Topic Cream Gentle body scrub. And the reason why I recommend this body scrub is for someone that has a very sensitive and easy irritated skin. I know most of people, because of how abrasive body scrub is, they tend to shy away from it. I know most body scrub is actually formulated with sugar, salt, or whey nut, but this is dermatologist tested, and I love the fact that it is formulated with jojoba bits, so it's not as abrasive as the other one. So this is actually very amazing for someone that has soft, smooth skin, and it's also very effective for someone that has caramel skin. And this is actually an amazing product to help to get rid of dead skin cells, brighten up your skin, and then reveal a healthy, brighter, glowing, and unified complexion. The next step is applying body serum. I know you must be surprised. Does body serum exist? If face serum exists, why do you think body serum doesn't exist? So body serum is very, very effective, and it's one of the skincare routine we actually overlook, and we'll talk more about oil, but we don't talk about how to hydrate our skin. So in today's video, I'll be recommending Real Clean Skin body serum. Is very amazing. It is formulated with lactic acid, which is also from the family of alpha hydroxy acid. Is a gentle exfoliant that will help your skin get rid of dead skin cell, reveal a beautiful glowing smooth skin. And this product can be used for all skin type. But if you cannot afford this product or you cannot find it around your area, another alternative body serum that is also very effective is Vichy Deal Body Serum. This is also a very amazing serum. I like the fact that it comes in gel form, and it's also very good for all skin type. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, LHA, and 10 essential body oil to help to firm up your skin, smoothen your skin, soften your skin, fight signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkle, and give you that iridescent glow. So this is actually a must-have in your skincare routine. Next step is to be very generous with your moisturizer. And one of the reasons why we experience aging skin is because of dry skin, or let me just say people that have dry skin tends to age faster. And this is the reason why you need to be very generous with your moisturizer. And the moisturizer I'll be recommending in today's video that can be used as your day and night routine or your moisturizer is actually AmLactin Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It is formulated with 12% lactic acid to help your skin get rid of dead skin cell. Also has moisturizing benefits, glow up your skin, and also unify your skin while brightening up your skin. So this is actually very amazing. And if you are worried or you feel you cannot afford it, don't worry. Another very good caramel lotion that will give you a brilliant skin is Ambib creamy oil. I love the fact this product, I've actually used this product, and I can tell you that I love this product. While using this product, I notice the softness on my skin. I notice how smooth my skin is and how uniform my skin is. So this is an amazing alternative, and it is also required for only daytime use, because I have another product I would recommend for nighttime use. For your nighttime routine, I'll be recommending Alpha Skin Renewal Body Lotion Anti-Aging Formula, and I will recommend that you incorporate it with the body wash as well. This is very effective. It is formulated with glycolic acid, which is also from the AHA family, alpha hydroxy acid family, and it's also an skin exfoliant which helps to get rid of dead skin cell, reveal a hydrated, glowing, unified complexion. And this product is for all skin type. Even while fighting signs of aging from head to toe, it will also soften and smoothen your skin. So this is actually an amazing choice. But an alternative for this has to be Glytone Exfoliating Body Lotion. This is also an amazing body lotion for someone that has caramel skin, and it also finds signs of aging on your skin, help your skin to get rid of dead skin cell, revealing a nourished, glowing, hydrated, smooth skin. And it's for all skin type. And if you are someone that struggles with patches on your skin, or you have this tiny pimple or rashes, this is an amazing product. Like, it will highly smoothen your skin. And I've used this product once. I know people that use this product and are still using it, and I can categorically tell you that it's very fantastic. I also want to make mention, if you have keratosis, Pilaris, and you struggle with rashes, the 3 body lotion I recommended in today's video will help you out, which is Alpha Renewal Skincare Glytone and AmLactin lotion. So moving over to the last step, and this is actually recommended for daytime use. I always talk about how effective sun protection is, and you should not overlook it. Most people apply sun protection on your face. Yes, I know for your body there are a lot of ways that you can actually protect your skin, like wearing long-sleeve clothes and all that. If you're someone that literally loves to expose your skin, applying sun protection is very necessary. It will help to also fight signs of aging, protect your skin, prevent it from getting dark, and also help body products work better. One of my favorite body sunscreen is actually La Roche sunscreen, and I love the fact that it is non-comedogenic, it is alcohol free, non-greasy, and it doesn't leave white cast on your skin. And it's also very good for people with sensitive skin or dry skin. an oily skin. This product is also oily free and is amazing, and it can also be used on the face. Yes, it's actually a face and body sunscreen. It has like SPF 60 protection. It is amazing, but if you're someone within the budget, another amazing one I've used and I'm still using right now, it is this amazing sunscreen, which is Sun Cult Sunscreen Perfect Gel. This is actually an SPF 50. It has resistance against sweat and oil, so this is actually amazing for your face and body. So in conclusion, the product I mentioned has been verified and they're amazing, and this is not trial and error. And if you have used this product, please kindly let me know in the comment section if you're going to recommend this product for someone that is battling with uneven skin tone. Let me know in the comment section. Or if you have used this product, or you know someone that have used this product, kindly let me know on the comment section. Let's talk on the comment section. Do you have a lot more to share? How do you maintain your caramel skin complexion? I know dieting is also good. That's what I always end my video with. Make sure you drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.